In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a bulk order of name badges and only design the badge once and then add all the different names and titles, etc., to quickly create a bulk order. So here we are at stockpins.com. We're going to go to name badges. We're going to select any one of the name badge sizes, but we're going to use this one for this example, the 3x1.5. When you get to this page, you'll hit customize. That'll bring up the designer. And the first thing we're going to have to do is select which material we want for this badge. So whether it's white aluminum, silver, or gold. We're going to go white for this example. And here's the designer. First thing you're going to do is you're going to select the pre-made designs, which is this icon here. And when it comes up, you'll click on this box, which will bring in 3 fields of information. We've got them labeled first line, second line, third line. Now, to make this design look like we want, we're going to add our logo to it. So we will, here you can upload a logo. I've already got it here, but if you want, you can upload it from your computer. I'm going to select the logo. It brings it in. I can move it around however I like. I'm going to put it up here in the corner, and you'll notice that the logo is over the text lines. That's okay. We're going to send the logo to the back by going to this icon here and say send backward. And now the logo is behind the text, and we can now move the text around. So we're going to move the text to how we want it. And in this case, we're going to have, let's say we have the person's name, we're going to have their title, and then the location, wherever they're located, which office they're in. So we're going to set the text the way we want it. I'm going to change the font because I just like this other font better. And in this case, I'm going to make this text left justified, which I've done there. And I'm going to stretch this text box out so that whoever name is in there will, begin at the left and go to the right and go as far as that. The same thing for the second line, which we're going to use for titles. Again, change the font, and I'm going to go left justify. You can change the length of the font of the box right there. If you want to change the color of the font, you can also do so here. Pick any color you want. We're going to leave it like that. And then for the third line, in this case, I'm going to go, again, change the font to the match. And I'm going to leave it center justified. And I'm going to stretch it out so that the location that they're in will be on that third line. OK, now once I've got it designed the way I want with this sort of just the fields listed there, I'm going to go to names and numbers. And this is where we're going to enter in all the information for our different people that we want badges for. And you can see here, this is the first line, the first badge, and we'll add the names. And then you can add another one for each person that you want. So let's say in this case we want 6 badges. Notice the price if you ordered one was $14.95, but as we start adding badges and we get above 5 here, that it starts to change. So now we've got 5 and the price has dropped. And again, the more you add, the lower the price will go. And here, what you'll do is you'll just add the names and titles and locations for each person. So this, let's say our first badge is going to be, Bob Jones. Bob is the president, and he is in San Francisco. The next person is going to be Sally Smith. Sally is the vice president, and she is in Chicago. And you just go through that process for each person that you want to add. And you can, let's say if Sally wanted 2 badges, you could change that to 2. And you go through and make those changes for each person. And then when you're all done, you just hit add to cart and then proceed with the rest of the checkout process. If you ever have any questions, of course, you can email us info@stockpins.com or give us a call 800-856-0595, and we'll be happy to help. Thanks so much.